Don't have a work account but still want to explore tools like Azure Portal, Microsoft Entra ID or the Microsoft 365 Admin Center? In this video I'll show you exactly how to access all of that using just a personal Gmail. Let's get into it. We start in the browser. Search for Dynamics 365 and open the official Microsoft website. Next, click Try for free and then once again try for free under Dynamics Sales. Here, enter your personal email address, accept the terms and click Start your free trial. You'll likely see an error, don't worry about it, just click the link under Setup. This takes us to the Setup wizard. At this stage, don't worry about subscription details. Everything we're doing here is completely free and we won't be entering any payment information. Click Next, enter your personal email again. In my case, I'm using a Gmail account. And click Next. After a quick browser verification, click Setup Account. Now we move to the second form, where you'll fill in your personal details. Once that's done, scroll down and click Next again. Next you'll be asked to provide your personal identifier, enter it and continue. And now we create our admin account. Fill in your username and domain name. I'll just change mine to lowercase. And then enter and confirm your password. And click Next. In the final step, you'll be asked to provide payment details. But here's the key part. You can skip this. At this point, your account has already been created. Now it's time to log into the Azure portal. Open your browser, type in Azure Portal Login and click the first result. Then enter your newly created work account and hit Next. Enter your admin password and confirm the login using the authenticator. Approve the sign in. And there we go, we're inside the Azure portal. To access Microsoft Entra ID, just search for Entra ID login, click the first result, and since we've already signed into Azure, you're logged in automatically here as well. You can use this account for other services too. For example, to access Power BI service. If you're interested in that, I've got a separate video on my channel. You will find the link in the description. That's it for this episode. I hope you found it valuable. If you have a question, a specific problem, or a topic you'd like me to cover, leave a comment below. And if this helped you, consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching and talk to you in the next one.